Dude, that's tiny.
Yeah, man.
Show me your wrist, man.
Hey, this is, you'll hear it.
This is the
Good?
Iron Man boys.
Oh, this is it. Oh, beautiful. How are we doing? You good?
Good.
Just getting everybody. Good? Let's see the professor.
Let's try that on.
This is Master Steven.
Master Steven.
Is it big?
I am teenager. That's way too big, dude.
Well, you'll grow into it. That'll be fine. What do you think? You like that? I can close it up a little bit more.
It's still too small, dude.
Nice.
Bye, Mom.
You okay?
Yeah.
Having fun?
We'll try it on now.
Yeah.
That's a better fit? Alright, good
That's
job.
better, boy.
So who's next? You're next. Where's Nathan go?
Woo! Woo! This is awesome, man. Awesome! Blacksmithing. This place is wicked.
Where's my cranker there?
Hey, look. See this? This is called the forge.
How's it going, Steve?
Good. Awesome. Coming right along, we'll have warrior bands made today.
Nice.
We're gonna have some warrior bands made today. Warrior Iron Man bands.
Beautiful.
Right? Sam, tell him.
Warrior Iron Man bands.
Really
There
nice.
you go.
Go, bro.
Don't call them bracelets, because they're warrior bands.
Get your hand in. You ready? Okay, nice and light blows. Right on the end. Go up a little bit. Okay. A little bit on this side. There you go, that's good. Touch it up for you. Alright, next side. Most of it they made themselves. I'm just kind of touching it up a little bit for now so they won't bend it, hammer it flat too much. So that way,
Comes out pretty.
yep, not pretty, warrior.
Fine. Comes
All
out
right.
manly. Warrior
Thank you.
style. Comes out wicked.
Okay, Nathan, you ready? Juan Carlos, why don't you take it over here and start brushing it out too, okay? Come up with it. A little harder blows. There you go, now come this way. Okay, that's good. Okay, good job. Alright, now we're going to start a curl on it. We're going to start the curl, and what are we going to use? The horn. The horn of the anvil, right.